paper. So 36 marks. This chapter should be our first preference. And then next to this first chapter is providing 26 marks. So this chapter should be our second preference. And the third one is the fourth chapter, state government. This chapter is providing 21 marks. So this should be our third preference. Hey Inter students, let us prepare a strategy to score in Telangana Intermediate Second Year Political Science 2022 paper. A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, that is TS Toppers. I am back with another video, that is TS Inter Second Year Civics Political Science 2021 to 2022 paper weightage plus syllabus. This video is on demand for my subscriber. Let us start. Here we go. The first 10 marks question in the political science second year paper for 2022 is going to appear from the first chapter, that is Indian Constitution. First question will be from the first chapter, that is Indian Constitution. Then the second question will be from the second chapter, that is the fundamental rights. Then next chapter is Union Government. From this chapter we are going to have two questions in the 10 marks section. Okay, then next two questions will be from the 9th chapter, that is emergence of Telangana state. Okay, fine. Let's move towards the 5 marks question. The first one and second one 5 marks questions are going to appear from Indian Constitution, that is the first chapter. Next, from Union Government, third chapter, there will be two questions for 5 marks. Then from state government, that is fourth chapter, there will be 3 questions for 5 marks. And center and state relations, that is the fifth chapter, there will be 2 questions for 5 marks. The next local government, there will be 2 questions from 5 marks. Okay, there is no question from 7th chapter, that is election system in India, for 5 marks and even for 10 marks. Let us move forward. The next question is from 8th chapter, that is contemporary issues in Indian politics. One question will be appear from 8th chapter, and also one question from emergence of Telangana state, that is 9th chapter, and also one question from smart governance, that is the 10th chapter. Okay, coming towards the 11th chapter, we have 2 questions of 5 marks from the 11th chapter. Moving ahead for the 2 marks questions. So the first chapter paper weightage is 3 questions, 3 2 marks questions for the first chapter. For the second chapter, same 3 questions, and also third chapter, that is Union Government, 3 questions, and also 3 questions for the fourth chapter, that is state government, and also 2 questions from this chapter, that is state and center relations. Only 2 questions, 2 short questions. These are very short questions for 2 marks. Then next, local governments, there will be 3 questions from this chapter. Then next, election system in India, that is 1 question. Contemporary issues in Indian politics, 1 question. Emergence of Telangana state, 3 questions. Smart governance, 1 question. India and the world, 2 questions. So overall marks, we can see that from first chapter the total marks is 26. From second chapter it is 16. From third chapter it is 36, and from fourth chapter 21. Next, fifth chapter 14. 6th chapter 16, 7th chapter only 2 marks, 8th chapter 7 marks, 9th chapter 11 marks, 10th chapter 7 marks, and 11th chapter 14 marks. Okay, now hey Inter students, let us prepare a strategy to score in Telangana Intermediate Second Year Political Science 2022 paper. So the third chapter is providing 36 weightage in the question paper. So 36 marks. This chapter should be our first preference. And then next, the first chapter is providing 26 marks. So this chapter should be our second preference. And the third one is the fourth chapter, state government. This chapter is providing 21 marks. So this should be our third preference. Yes, students. So if we study If we completely study the third chapter, that is Union Government, we will be covering our 36 marks. Then if we will study the first chapter, that is Indian Constitution, including all 10 marks, 5 marks and 2 marks questions, we will score 26 marks. And if we will go to the fourth chapter, that is State Government, we are going to get 21 marks. So the total of these three is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 1 13. Okay, 4 5 6 7 8. So we are going to score 83 marks. 83 marks with the help of 3 chapters. This is a strategy for TS Interpolitical Science 2022 second year. I hope you have understood. If you like the information that I have provided, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to know which questions are the important from these 3 chapters, do comment. Thank you for watching this video.